And the race is on. Speedy Kim from the outside Siklag. Dayang Mega Drive is running in fourth. It's now Siklag, Speedy Kim, Dayang. And racing in fourth, Mega Drive brushing up strike fourth. Sunday Street, down on the inside, Smarty Pants and Marico's Charm. Siklag by some 2 lengths, Dayang is Speedy Kim racing in third alongside, and racing in fourth, Mega Drive strike fourth is running by Daryl Sunday Street, Smarty Fans from the outside, and Marico's Charm. Rounding the far turn, Siklag by some 3 lengths, Speedy Kim and Mega Drive by the strike force, making ground on the inside, and Dayang as they race the last 500. Siklag, Speedy Kim, Mega Drive is strike force, sneaking by the rail as they race the final corner. Is strike force now the leader. Mega Drive, Speedy Kim on the further outside. Siklag, Dayang, Sunday Street, Smarty Pants, and Marico's Charm. And nearing the finish line, strike force, and Mega Drive, Speedy Kim. And nearing the finish line, it's all entry number 2 is strike force. Mega Drive, Speedy Kim, Dayang, Sunday Street for your Pentafecta. Then comes Smarty Pants, Marico's Charms,